Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. 33,000 Naira can change your life. 3% weekly, 10% monthly, 1 million Naira in 60 days. This is the project, and I'm going to explain here in this video. Welcome to my channel once again. If you are new to this channel, my name is Michael Udiba, and the bell icon is a friend to get notified when I drop a new video, because I'll be dropping videos on this same platform that I'm going to talk about. So before we move in, click the subscriber button, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. So now, 33,000. This is a big project that is making waves as I speak currently. So now, 1 million in 60 weeks. You can make money by selling what you do not have. Is that correct? Yes. To arrive at financial stability, you need more than a source of income. That advice, cutting down on your expenses, is not true. Is it your feeding or that of your family's care giving you will cut down? Rather, look for multiple ways to make more money. Credit alert, no matter the amount, is far better than debit alert. Wondering how I can teach you, I can show you how to make extra cash. Details explain of what this project is all about. Project 1 million in 60 weeks. What is it all about? You will be learning how to use the internet to make more money. But first, for you to join, you will need a minimum of 33,000 to lock your spot into this platform. This your 33k will go a very long way for you. At the end of 60 weeks, you will get about 300% of 33,000 naira. Yes, you will. You get access to learning how to generate WhatsApp lead for sale. These are extra bonus. How to navigate WhatsApp group and pages for sale. How to make profit using Reel on Facebook. How to convert sales on social media. Set up your YouTube channel and draw traffic, just like what you are watching now. Isn't just too much for just 33,000. Put in and you get all your money back with interest. Mark my word, you will get all your money back with interest, and I'm telling you, this is what is obtainable. So you can say no to this. Do not even say no. Also have an opportunity to make more money that are instantly withdrawable weekly in dollars, even before your 60 days expire. 21st century kids will continue to pose you this question: how can it be that each terms that educational committee will build our school expensive? September is coming again. It is virtual to have an agreement that we deal with that. You have to have educational fund for your kids. 33k, 66k invested in Validos for 2 years can take care of that question. I tell you, this is Validos. 50,000 naira, $50, 33,000 turned into 1 million naira. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes, I will say yes. Now, this is why it's possible. You can see this is an account today, a package of $500 on Validos. You can see here. And for the purpose of this video, we have to hide the user's name. And in 60 weeks, if I dare you the calculation of this, what this return is going to be, you'll be amazed. You can see this another account today. This is $500 account and package, and in 60 weeks 60 weeks. It will amaze you with the details of what he's going to earn with this package. People are plugging in on a daily basis, and I can tell you for sure this is withdrawable. This is withdrawable today. Monday is a payday on Validos. I have a video, a real video, subscription video on how this actually work, what you need to do, how much you need to invest, then what are the bonuses you are going to get. Mark my word, I have given you about 5 bonuses. 1, 5, 33k, you will get your money back. Get my WhatsApp learning generation lead sales WhatsApp group page. Make money using real conversion reel on social media, YouTube. This has made me a lot of money. This course, you're going to have this course for free. I guarantee you that this course for free. If you plug in with 33,000 naira only on Validos, I tell you, you will get this course. This course alone is worth 50,000 naira. I'm telling you, and you'll be amazed how you can maximize these social media handles for profit. So guys, this is all about this video. The link to get on Validos is going to be in the description here, and I'll be very happy. My WhatsApp number is going to be in the description. Now, if for 2 years, what you get, I've done a series videos on a $50 account, $100 account to a $1,000 account. So guys, don't waste your time. My WhatsApp number is there. If you have any challenge, contact with me so I can have a chat and I can explain further what you need to do. A subscribe video coming up, you understand how these guys are making money on this platform. The bell icon is your friend. Why don't you subscribe to this channel to turn notification bell on to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I'm very glad to see you on this channel, and I'm very glad to see you again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.